Hello everyone, welcome to ITLS Academy. Our lecture is on PCR methods. PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction. Introduction. Polymerase chain reaction is a method widely used to rapidly make million to billion of copies of a specific DNA sample. This allows scientists to take a very small sample of DNA and amplify it to a large enough amount to study in detail. Here is a information that PCR was invented in 1984 by the Kary Mullis. Using PCR, copies of very small amounts of DNA sequences are exponentially amplified in a series of cycles of temperature changes. Once amplified, the DNA produced by PCR can be used in many different laboratory procedures. For example, most mapping technique in human genome project. PCR is now a common and often indispensable technique used in medical laboratory and clinical laboratory research for a broad variety of applications, including biomedical research and criminal forensics. PCR is also valuable in a number of laboratory and clinical techniques, including DNA fingerprinting, detection of bacteria or viruses, and diagnosis of genetic disorders. Let's see how does PCR works. To amplify a segment of DNA using PCR, the sample is first heated so that the DNA denatures or separates into pieces of single-stranded DNA. Next, an enzyme called Taq polymerase, that is the most important enzyme, that is the most important step of PCR, synthesizes, builds two new strands of DNA using the original strand as template. This process results in duplication of the original DNA with each of the new molecule containing one old and one new strand of DNA. Each of these strands can be used to create two new copies and so on. The entire cycling process of PCR is automated and can be completed just a few hours. It is directed by a machine called thermocycler, which is programmed to alter the temperature of the reaction every few minutes to allow DNA denaturing and synthesis. To copy DNA, polymerases require supply of 4 nucleotide bases and something called as primer. Primer is a RNA segment that initiates the synthesis of DNA because no known polymerase is able to initiate polynucleotide synthesis. Whether from humans, bacteria, or viruses, cannot copy a chain of DNA without a short sequence of nucleotides to prime the process or get it started. So the shell has another enzyme called a primase that actually makes the first few nucleotides of the copy. This stage of DNA is called as a primer. Once the primer is made, the polymerase can take over, making the rest of the new chain. A PCR vial contains all the necessary components for DNA duplication: a piece of DNA, large quantities of 4 nucleotides, large quantities of the primer sequence, and DNA polymerases. The polymerase used is Taq polymerase, named for Thermus aquaticus, from which it was isolated. The function of Taq DNA polymerase in PCR is to amplify or synthesize DNA or gene of interest for various downstream applications. The three parts of polymerase chain reaction are carried out in the same vial but at different temperatures. The first part of the process separates two DNA chain in double helix. Second, anneals primer and final step of the PCR makes a complete copy of the DNA. The result of the PCR reactions are usually visualized using the gel electrophoresis. Gel electrophoresis is a technique in which fragments of the DNA are pulled through a gel matrix by an electric current, and it separates DNA fragments according to size. PCR is used in many research labs, and it also has practical applications in forensics, genetic testing, and diagnostics. For instance, PCR is used to amplify genes associated with genetic disorders from the DNA of patients. PCR can also be used to test for a bacterium or DNA virus in a patient's body. If the pathogen is present, it may be possible to amplify results of its DNA from a blood or tissue sample. Thank you very much guys for watching this video. This is an informative lecture on PCR. We will also discuss process of PCR working and amplification in detail in our upcoming lectures. Thank you very much guys for watching this video.